Almost everyone likes to play games, but what type of games do you like to play? Online games or offline games? For me, I would choose online games. It would have more fun if you choose online games. Play online games also display the most important part of the internet, which is communication. Nowadays, there are a great many game consoles appear into my eyes, such as Xbox 360, PlayStation 3, Wii, or PSP. All of them could connect with network. If you have Windows XP operating system, when you need to use game machine to do the online competition, you should know how to change the IP address in your Windows XP operating system. Before we learning how to change the IP address, we need to know what IP address is. According to the A through Z service and glossary from the University of Kent, IP address is a unique number which identifies a computer and its location on the internet. Right now, I would introduce the steps of changing IP address. First, click the Windows key and R into in your keyboard, and there was a dialog would appear into the left corner on your desktop. When you see this dialog, you should type the CMD to get in your command board. This is load to your DOS promote. After that, you need to type ipconfigure/release. Then press enter, which is disable your internet connection. And then you need to type ipconfigure/FLUSHDNS, which would help you clean the web cache. According to the Ms. Kwai, these two commands was used to rebuild your DNS cache. If you did the typing, is that means you finished changing IP? No, this is just the beginning of the IP changing. The second step, you go to desktop and right-click on something called Network Place or My Network Place. Right-click your activity connection and click the properties. Select the Internet Protocol TCP/IP and click the properties about the TCP/IP. After that, click on Use the following IP address. Then you type your IP address. In the first place, type any integers that you want, such as 123.123.123.123, but do not type things less than 0 or bigger than 255. For the first part, do not type more than 233. Then click to use the tab button in your keyboard. You went to the second part. In the second part, this is automatically have the number, which is 255.0.0.0. After you click OK and close, and then just wait about 15 seconds. Now your IP address was changed. Last but not least, when you finish the connection, you need to change the IP address back. It means that you need to click obtain an IP address automatically instead of use the following IP address. For more information, please visit whatismyipaddress.com and watch the video which named Windows XP IP address. This video is talking about what IP address is, and it could help you have a better understanding about IP address. Thanks for listening to my slideshow.